Today I'm going to talk about how to use collapsibles in Replo. A collapsible is a component that has an open and closed state. For example, you might see collapsibles in FAQ sections or product details or instruction sections. To add a collapsible, I'm going to go to Components in the left side tab. I'm going to search for collapsible, and I'm going to drag it into the page. We can see that once I've dragged my collapsible in, I can use this button to expand and edit its content. For example, if I want to say washing instructions, I edit that right here, and then I can add any content I want in here. For example, the washing instructions for the product. When I go into preview mode, I can see that my collapsible is here, and I can click here in order to open and close it. I can also add a state if I want things inside the collapsible to be different when the collapsible is open versus closed. For example, if I wanted this arrow to be rotated, I could go here, add a state. I'll select Add Custom. I'll select Rotated, and this state will be applied when the collapsible is open. I'm going to go down here to 2D, 3D Transform. I'll go to Rotate, and I'll put in 180 degrees. I'll go up to Animate State Transitions, just to make sure this animates. And now if we go into preview mode, we can see that the arrow rotates when you open the collapsible. One last thing about collapsibles. It's very common to insert many collapsibles in a list, like in an FAQ section. In order to do this, we can actually go in the Replo section library and browse for FAQ sections. For example, if we wanted to add this one, we can have this section with pre-formatted collapsibles. You can edit these just like any other collapsible, but it's sometimes easier if you want to have a bunch at a time to just drag in a section.